Come away with me to the bird bath. Come join the bird bath, fun and games there'll be. Come and see what's on at the bird bath.
What a peaceful summer's day. I wonder who's coming to the bird bath. It's Mo Sparrow. Jackie Blackbird's sat in her nest.
Hello, Jackie.
Hello, Mo.
Is there any sign of your egg hatching yet, Jackie?
Oh, it won't be long now. I just need to collect some more nesting
Why is that, Jackie?
to keep my egg nice and warm. You can't let an egg go cold or it might not hatch.
Oh dear.
Would you be so kind as to look after my egg while I'm away, Mo?
Yes, of course, Jackie.
Thanks, Mo.
Whoa! Whee! Yeah! Whoa!
That sounds like Bob Robin. It looks like Bob's doing a flying display.
Bob, what are you doing?
Practicing my loop-the-loop.
Very clever, but do be careful.
If you think that's clever, watch this.
Bob, look out! Ugh. Oh no! Jackie's egg! I told you to be careful, Bob.
Sorry, Mo. Is Jackie's egg all right?
I think so, but it feels a bit cold.
What does that mean, Mo?
I'm not sure, but Jackie said that if the egg goes cold, it might not hatch.
Oh no! Now what are we going to do?
We need to warm it up. Bob, you sit on it while I go and find Jackie.
Is it getting warmer, Mo?
I'll sit on the egg while you go and fetch Jackie. Bob,
Yes, Mo.
no more loop-the-loops.
I promise.
Herbert Heron comes flying past Jackie Blackbird's nest and is surprised to see Mo Sparrow sitting there.
Hello, Herbert.
Hello, Mo. Doing a spot of egg sitting?
I'm trying to keep Jackie's egg warm while she's away.
It feels a little chilly. Would you like me to have a try?
Oh, yes, please, Herbert. Then I could go and help Bob look for Jackie.
We'll soon have the little nipper warmed up, don't you worry.
Everybody's helping, everybody's helping, everybody's helping the egg. Everybody's sitting on, everybody's wishing on good luck for this egg. It's a most exciting day. A brand new fluffy baby chick's just a moment away. Oh, everybody's helping, everybody's helping, everybody's helping the egg. Oh, everybody's helping, everybody's helping, everybody's helping the egg. Keep it warm, you gotta keep it warm. It mustn't get cold, you see. If we take turns to keep the egg warm, happy inside that chick will be. It's the most exciting day. A brand new fluffy baby chick's just a moment away. Whoa, everybody's helping, everybody's helping, everybody's helping the egg. La-di-dee-do, do, da-di-dee-do, ba-di-dee-dee-do.
Herbert Heron had just settled on the egg when who should return but Jackie Blackbird. And what a surprise she got.
Well, ruffle my feathers.
Hello, Jackie.
Herbert Heron, what are you doing sitting in my nest?
Just then, Bob Robin and Mo Sparrow arrived back.
We've all been trying to keep your egg warm, Jackie.
So I see.
First I sat on the egg, but I was too small.
Then I sat on it, but I was still too small.
Then I sat on it, and I'm not small at all.
Oh, thank you so much, but I'd better sit back on it now.
Of course, Jackie.
Is your egg all right, Jackie?
It feels fine. Oh, something's happening.
Look, Mo, the egg's hatching.
How exciting!
Oh, my little baby blackbird, come to Mummy.
Oh no, baby blackbird's a white bird.
Don't worry, Bob.
You see, when blackbirds are hatched, their feathers are all white.
Well, that's enough excitement for one day. Until next time at the bird bath, goodbye.
Goodbye, and what fun there's been. See you the very next time at the bird bath.